Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will talk about some of the Galaxy AI features that you guys might be missing out. So the first Galaxy AI feature was added without any notifications, so I think that you guys are missing this out. There were no specific update for this new feature. You just have to go to your settings, then display, and from here you have to select navigation bar. And after selecting navigation bar, you just have to simply turn this circle to search option on. Most of you guys might know about this circle to search feature, as this feature was first introduced with the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, and further it was launched for the older models as well with the One UI 6.1 update. So now there's a new feature added with this new circle to search. You get to see this new music identification icon. Now using this music identification icon, you can identify any sound that is playing in your background. For example, I will play a sound in the background and it will identify that. You just have to simply long press your home button and then click on this music icon. And after waiting for a while, it will recognize that song using the Google. It is quite similar to Shazam. So do check this out, as this feature is quite handy if you want to identify anything that is playing in your background. Next up, using circle to search, you can also translate anything on your screen if it is not available in your language. To translate, you just have to simply click on this icon and the text will be translated in your language. You can also select the text to translate from and the text to translate to. Both the options are available with this. So this translation feature is also quite handy, as you can translate directly from your screen on a one click. Now the next feature is in the Notepad app. You just have to click on this plus icon, then you have to click on voice recording. Now you have to allow some permissions, and after speaking you just have to end this voice recording and you will get to see this icon over here on the right corner. Now you have to select this T icon on the right corner. Now using the Galaxy AI, you can convert your speech into text. The Galaxy AI is now available in the Notepad app. You can now auto format, summarize, spell check and translate text. As you can see, the voice is converted into transcript. You can also summarize it if your characters are above 200. This is also a really handy feature if you want to speak and convert that speak into some text. And in the end, I would like to tell you that there is a new update available of 1st October 2024 security patch. You can check out this update by simply going into your settings, then click on software update and then download and install. From here, you can update your device to the latest 1st October 2024 security patch. And that's all for today's video. These were some of the Galaxy AI features that you guys might be missing out, so do check them out. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.